Here's how I put my baby in a ring sling. I didn't baby wear that much with my first, but this one is pretty much always in a carrier. I use a wrap, a structured carrier, and a ring sling. I love all of them. They just serve different purposes. A ring sling is great for really on the go when you're taking baby in and out a lot because it's so quick to just pop them in. So here's how to do it. Part of the reason the ring sling is so quick is that I usually leave it threaded, but I will show you from start to finish. So I'm right-handed. I like to have my right hand out. So I'm gonna take this and put the rings on my left shoulder and bring the fabric underneath my right armpit. I'm gonna take all of the fabric and thread it through the middle of both of the rings. And I'm just gonna check to make sure everything isn't getting twisted. So the top is still the top here, all the way around. Okay, and now I'm gonna take the fabric. There's two rings, a top and a bottom. I'm gonna put it over the top and then through the bottom. So it's going through like this. And just fanning out this fabric here. Okay, it's not twisted. It feels nice and secure and ready for baby. So this is where I'm typically starting when I'm putting the ring sling on. I am able to do this while holding the baby just with one hand, so it's really convenient for when you're out and about and on the go. Ready? I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that this ring is all the way up on my shoulder because when I tighten it, it is gonna pull down a little bit. And I like to fan out this shoulder just a little, like so. I put her up over my right shoulder and put both feet through the ring sling. Okay, I'm gonna take this fabric that's down here at the bottom underneath her bum and I'm gonna really pull it underneath as far as I can and make sure that she's starting to get in that deep seat. From here, I like to pull this fabric up over the top and give it a good tighten on both the top and the bottom. And that's it. Once she's in here, this top piece is gonna tighten the top part of the sling and the bottom piece of the tail is gonna tighten the bottom down here. And she feels very secure in here. She's not going anywhere. I know when I first saw people wearing slings, I thought like the baby was gonna fall out the bottom. And it doesn't feel like that at all, especially when you have them in like a really deep seat. You're fine. And she loves it.